Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry that I've been gone for so long, but I have been very busy. I know it's been such a long time since I've uploaded a video. Trust me, I have been busy, and I'm assuming all of you guys have been busy too, you know, with school going out and jobs starting and everything like that. Please forgive me. But I'm back today with my June and July project pan update. So it's been almost 2 months since I last uploaded to my channel, and then that last upload was my May project pan update. So this video is my June and July project pan update because I didn't get the June one up. But let's just jump into it and not keep you guys waiting for any much longer. So this is the Milani Bella Eyes gel powder eyeshadow in the shade Bella Bronze, and I only used it once in May and 0 times in June. Very disappointing, basically no change at all. The top layer of the eyeshadow, or the imprint from it being pressed, is now gone and it's kind of smoothed over, but other than that there's really no change of it, and I'm pretty disappointed in myself, but it is a very bronze eyeshadow. I don't wear this type of deep brown every day. Next I have the Decay eyeshadow in Scratch. It's just a single shadow. I used it 4 times in May, and that's one up from April, so I used it a good amount of times in May, but still very poor, and I used it 0 times in June, so again, very disappointing. And it's not very a metallic pink shade. Like if it was more metallic and lighter, I would use it more often in my inner corner or something. But since it's a satin pink, I don't wear pinks very much, so it doesn't get as much use as I hoped for when I first bought this. Then we have the e.l.f. Jumbo Eyeshadow Stick in the shade Turkish Coffee. I used it once in May. That would have been pairing it with the Bella Eyes eyeshadow, and I like to use them both together, but of course I didn't wear them very much. And some of the bronze color is coming off like on the tip of the product, and it's kind of showing like a deeper blacker color, so I don't know if this is like an exterior finish thing or if it's bronze all the way down. I don't know for sure, but it has broken off, so I'll be careful with it. So I will measure it here, because we do this every time, and it is just under 2.5 centimeters, so 2.4, which I think that's no change. And here we have the Marc Jacobs Lip Cream in the shade Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. I used it once in May and 0 times in June. Very disappointing, but again, I'm not wearing lipstick that much in like my everyday life right now because I've been so busy that I just don't have time for this color of lipstick, let alone a bronze eyeshadow. So of course I'm not wearing this color lipstick, but if you can tell, there's only a small little nubbin left, and I could probably do 50 swatches of this and it would be gone. So I don't know if I want to do that and just get rid of the product or what I'm going to do, but I think I'll just keep on wearing this. And I predicted that it would be gone in the next month, and it's still here, so kind of sad about this, but I'll definitely try my best on my days off to wear this and get rid of it. So here we go with another measurement. So from the base of the lipstick to the tip, we are 0.7 centimeters. Here's the e.l.f. High Definition Loose Powder. I used it 5 times in May and once in June. So we do have a product I used in June. And 5 times in May was really good, and I got quite a bit of use out of it, and I'm proud about that. Ooh, look at all that powder. So we are below half of the product, I believe, and I think we'll get through this within the next couple months. I think before the end of the year is up, so that is very exciting. As you can tell there, we're below halfway done. And my thoughts are still the same on this guy, about how it performs on my under eyes and everything like that. I'm wearing it today, and I feel like it's good, but it's not a very long-lasting powder, as in my concealer will crease, and if I touch like under my under eyes, it will transfer off. So it's not a very good powder at all, and I don't recommend it, but to use it and get rid of it, it's not horrible, but I will definitely not repurchase, even if they reformulate it or not. My next lipstick is the Bite Amuse Bouche lipstick in the shade Chai. So this is a little sample guide. In May I used it twice, in June I used it 0 times. Could you have guessed? Anyways, I'm really failing this time. I'm so sorry, but maybe that's why I didn't do a project pan in June. For one, I was busy, but also two, I didn't use any of the products. So I'll definitely try harder for July, I promise you that. So I can tell my lipstick is actually leaning a little bit. Maybe I've rolled it up too high when I've applied it. It kind of looks like it's leaning back and maybe might snap off, if you guys can tell. but we're at 1.2 centimeters. And our last lip product, this is the Gerard Cosmetics Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Serenity. I'm wearing it on my lips today. I used it only twice in May and 0 times in June, and I can feel the product getting drier and drier, and I can see the bottom now, and the sides look like they're all nice and scraped and clean. So I think we'll be able to actually officially say that I'm done with this product by the end of next month if I keep using it a few more times. So yeah, I can totally see the size of the bottle, and it doesn't look like there's very much product at all. If you looked on the bottle on the outside, since it's a frosted packaging, you can't really tell, but you can see that it's been scraped. So getting this done will be a huge win in my project pan. And finally, the Covergirl True Naked Jewels palette. I used it 7 times in May, which is awesome, but a big fat goose egg for June. And as you can tell, this pink shade right here, this pink kind of lavender matte pastel type of shade, is falling apart ever so slightly. And it's breaking apart, and even just like using it once, it crumbles and cracks. So we only have this tiny little bit right at the top here, and the other ones have divots in them, as you can see right here, and this one as well from just being used. And they're kind of really powdery and almost not smushable, but if you rub your finger in it, the product will kick up or like ball up, and it kind of just falls out. So not a great formula, but great in the ways that you can use it pretty fast and can get rid of it out of your project pan. But this black is pretty much untouched. Of course, I like never use blacks, but this gold, this kind of rosy champagne, and this pink are really going down. And this pink one, of course, is almost run its course. So that is it for my June and July project pan update. I will see you in August for my project pan update, if I'm not too busy and I can get a few days off on the weekend or something and film again. If not, I'll see you in September for a double month update. Leave me a comment down below how you feel about me doing 2 months in one for a project pan update, because things around here will get even busier in the next few weeks. And hopefully I'll be able to finish editing my summer clothing haul video, so that will be coming your way as well. I have a lot of cute pieces in there that I've actually been loving, and a few pieces in there that I've worn to grads, and they look so cute and I love them a lot. And they're inexpensive, so that's a positive. So like up this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video whenever that comes out. Bye!